Guys, if your kitchen is cluttered with gadgets, listen up. The CHEFMAN multifunctional digital air fryer is here to replace them all. Rotisserie, dehydrator, convection oven. Yep, it does it all in one sleek machine. Today, I'm testing its 17 presets, massive 10L capacity, and that huge easy view window. Let's see if it's worth the hype. First, this isn't just an air fryer, it's a whole cooking system. Want crispy fries? Use the air fry preset. Juicy rotisserie chicken? Done. Even dehydrate fruits or bake cookies. The 17 touchscreen presets make it foolproof. And the 10-liter size means no more batch cooking for families. And check this out, the huge window lets you spy on your food without opening the basket. Plus, auto shut-off means no burnt meals. Safety win. So, is the CHEFMAN worth it? If you want one appliance to air fry, bake, roast, and dehydrates, absolutely. Links below, if you're convinced. Drop a comment. What would you cook first? And subscribe for more genius kitchen gear. Link in the bio, and see you next time.